There are many online tools that can test the load time of your web pages. This video will show you one of these tools and how to put it to use. This tool is called Google Pagespeed Insights. Now, Google's Pagespeed actually has a few different tools to help you optimize your site for both mobile devices as well as desktop computers. But this video is going to stick with Pagespeed Insights. And basically, what it does is analyze the load speed of your web page and report to you the results along with the suggestions on how to optimize those results. Let's take a quick look here. Now, we are at Google Developers Pagespeed Tools page, and you can get here by going to developers.google.com/speed/pagespeed, and don't forget about the HTTPS at the very beginning. And on this page, if we scroll down, you can see the additional tools that are offered by Google's Pagespeed, but we're going to concentrate on the Insights. Now, if you want to learn more about the inner workings of Insights and what they actually test for, go to Read Docs, click on Reference, and Rules over here in the left sidebar. And each one of these is a clickable link to tell you more about that particular rule that Insights tests for. But let's go on back here to Insights and give it a quick run. Click on Run Insights. Let's put the URL of our website in here. And this is our website here. And by the way, let's go ahead and log into the dashboard area here just to show you that this is what I consider to be representative of a small niche WordPress site. There's 305 posts, 10 pages, 289 comments, and it's running on the default WordPress 2012 theme. Actually, this is the child theme of the 2012 theme because I've got some customizations in here, like the curvature of the content area and the increased size of the font and so on. Along with that, we also have some AdSense ads in the top and on the sidebar, along with some additional ads as well. So let's go ahead and grab our URL here. Come on back to Insights, paste that in here for our test. Click on Analyze. And for a mobile device, it gives us 66 out of 100, desktop 78 out of 100. Both are not fantastic, but they're not too terribly bad. I mean, yeah, they could be a little worse anyway. But one of the big things that can be fixed, especially for the desktop, is enabling compression, and that will greatly improve our score here. That also affects the load speed of the mobile device. It's one of the two items here in the red exclamation mark. So let's go ahead and tackle that real quick by coming over to our cPanel control panel, scrolling on down until we get to the Software and Services module, and click on Optimize Website. And by default, Disabled is selected. We want to select the second radio button. It says Compress All Content. Click on Update Settings. Come on back and rerun our test. And we've greatly improved the score of both mobile devices and the desktop. And that item related to compressing our files is no longer there because, well, we fixed it. Now, one other thing I wanted to point out before I close out this video on Pagespeed Insights is that this tests for an individual page. In this case, it's the home page of our WordPress site. Google Pagespeed Insights also has a plugin that will test every single page on your site. And let's go ahead and take a look at that. Go to our plugins, add new, and up here in the search plugins box, type in Google Pagespeed, and this is the one we're looking for here, Google Pagespeed Insights for WordPress. Go ahead and click on Install Now and activate. As it says here, you can get to the settings by going to Tools, or just click that link there. But if you come over here to the left and hover over Tools, click on Pagespeed Insights, and we're actually going to need to apply for an API key here. And you've got plenty of documentation over here on how to go about getting that API key and how to put this to use. But what this plugin does is it actually tests every single page on your site and gives you a score similar to what we see here for each one of those pages. And that way you can drill down and see which pages require a little more improvement and which ones you can simply just leave alone. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on an introduction to Google Pagespeed Insights and how to put it to use. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.